Hi all, good morning. Welcome to day 6 on VMware vSphere 6.7. Today we're going to proceed more on storage. Yesterday we have introduced NFS data store. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and we have mounted NFS share to our ESXi host, correct? Now we have total 3 data store in our ESXi host. One is local data store, second one iSCSI data store, third one NFS data store. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the current setup. I'll show you on the host itself. Storage. Can you see data store 1?
Yes, sir.
This is what? Local data store.
Local data.
Correct now?
Yes, sir.
And second one is iSCSI. This is again coming from network. This one is also from network. This is coming from network as a block level where you have a complete control and you can format with the file system called VMFS. But this one already a formatted file system, you are just mounting it, attaching.
Yes.
Yeah. In interview, they may ask you a question. What is the difference between VMFS and NFS data store? Which one is faster? Okay, why you prefer to? See, here we don't have SAN, that's why we attached iSCSI. But in production environment, it will be SAN based LUN that required 5. Again, you need to watch some video like how to create a LUN in, or you take one assignment. How to create logical unit number in Dell EMC VNX 5100 VNX 5100 storage server. In interview, they may ask you a question like which model you worked in production. Then you should give one example. VNX 5100 is an example. Similarly, there are other versions 3100, 7200, 7600. You remember that? Good. Right. Now let's come back to this. See, there are two meanings here: extend and expand. Both are same. There are two meanings here: extend and expand. Both are not same. Do you agree? Right. So let me give an example here, or I'll give a simple example and then I'll explain technical. Let's take Nandan Kumar. He started a garments company. Okay, maybe he started in his village and the responses were good. So what he did, he started extending to next village. Okay, within Karnataka. You understood now? There is a boundary or a state, that is Karnataka. Within that state he extended his business. Now his friend, okay, Mr. Lohit from USA, been to his village and he found that fabrics are good and good margins, so why don't we export to US? Okay, he gave that idea, and Lohit helps him to open a branch in Las Vegas. Okay, now what happened? Expanded beyond the boundary. Okay, India, Karnataka, India, and it went to the next country, right? Expanded. Understood? Extending is different, expanding is different. So making changes within the same LUN. So let's take an example. Do you remember I have provision LUN 0 only on that day? Okay, what is the total size? How much? 100 GB, but usable was around 95. Even though you give 100 GB, it will become like 95.5, something like that. Okay, let's call it as 100 GB. In that, do you remember I asked you to format only 90 GB?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree, anyone?
Yes, sir.
We left at least 5 GB free.
Yeah.
You know why? For this lab only. So what we're gonna do now, we are gonna extend 90 GB to 91 GB. How much?
91 GB.
Fine. That's what I'm gonna do now. Step, that is task 1. Task 2 is, let's take 95 GB is full, completely used. These are all used. I don't have a space. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
I don't have a space at all. Now what you have to do, your VMs are running out of space, no space at all. So what I'll do, I'll introduce one extra 10 GB. This is called LUN1. Repeating again, this is called LUN1. Now this extra 10 GB what you have right here, this you can attach together so that it will become 105 GB. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
This is new LUN. Making use of newly available LUN to expand your existing data store is called, what is it?
Expand.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
You understood the concept or not?
Yes, understood.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's do one by one, and you're gonna write down the step. Okay, write down first task.
The 10 GB from SRAM, right?
Again from a new storage. Yeah, new LUN. Maybe it's from iSCSI only, but it should be same. iSCSI only, it will attach. SAN only. NFS you cannot do like that.
Okay.
It is fixed volume. Extend
Only in VMFS.
VMFS you can do, correct. Extend data store step by step. Number 1, check remaining unallocated so let me do this. I'll give you time to write down, just have a look. So this is iSCSI 188 data store, correct? So the same data store is shared by 2 ESXi host. Subhashji, you can also do, this fellow also can do, both can do. It's a individual RAM, individual activity. Okay, can you see increase capacity?
Yeah.
When I right click, there is an option called increase, expand an existing VMFS data store extend. Okay, this is expand and okay, meaning here I'll change this. First expand and then extend. Okay, can you see this? Expand an existing VMFS data store extend. This will confuse people. Expand means what? Existing data store, that you remember. Extend means with the help of new data store. Okay, I'll click on this. Can you see? Oh, they have formatted only 60 GB that day.
Sir.
Okay, open filer, the same LUN is available. Total capacity is 95 GB and free space is how much?
20.
Here you can see free spaces, not this one. One moment. Capacity you see here around 70 GB they have formatted.
Yes.
Right, and then now this volume size will change now. See, I'll click next. So currently free space is 25, right? See what I'll do now. You have to click somewhere, then only it will show you. So you can you see a scaler here?
Yes, sir.
I'll increase 5 GB. I'll move to 75. Okay. Okay. 75,000. It will become 73 GB. I'll increase little more.
Multiply. 71. Multiply 132.
Correct. So 75 GB. Can you see this now?
Yes, sir.
And I'll click on next. Free space would become
20.
okay, and finish. See now what happened. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Size is increased now.
Yes, sir.
Right? See, this is the daily task of VMware administrator. Whenever they run out of space, what they will do? Usually This task is minimal, but on the virtual machine we keep increasing the size. This one is done by L2 or L3 guy because this involves change management. In production, there is something called change management. ITIL process. You should learn ITIL process. Write down assignment. You know ITIL process. No?
CMR we need to raise change management request.
What is ITIL process? What is ITIL process? What is incident management? Change management, release management, and so on. Dot dot. See, see, in your mechanic shop, you have a job card, right? In that you will see whether this fellow checked oil changed or not, tick mark. Like that, there are things, right? Same thing also, we have one job card in IT that is called ITIL process. Incident management. First ticket will go to incident management, then it will go to queue. Okay, from there, if there is any changes, it will go under change management. There are some 7 different processes. Okay, so you have to at least know by name. Okay, that why I gave that. Right, done now. Proceed. Change the line to not extend, it is expand. And data store, and here also business requirement, expand the data store by adding additional space. See, I used the word based on business requirement. So there should be a request raised. You cannot just simply go and expand all size. Here we see only some GB now. In production, it will be in TBs. Once you done by mistake, you are gone out of the company. So you should be very careful. See here, by mistake you extended in TBs now, you will be out of the company. Because in production, whatever the GB you support, no, client would be paying to that cost. If I am supporting 1 GB, I will pay 100 rupees to 1 GB. Suddenly you increase to 1 TB, then I should pay 1 lakh rupees for you. Understood? So these tasks are a little tricky. You should be much cautious. So again, you increase 5 GB, you can increase 5 GB. One by one.
Concurrently can be done.
Sorry?
Concurrently can be done.
Sorry?
Because same resource, he is accessing and accessing.
You can do, anyone can do.
And he is reducing
There,
in what?
you cannot reduce. So one-way traffic, dude. Only one side. In production, not everyone would be making a changes. Even though both you try at a time now, there will be a first on first comes basis. If you execute first, your command will execute. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ.
I just last time I did not.
In same way we can decrease also.
You cannot decrease, only increase. In your phone, there is one memory card, right? Can you decrease the space? You can remove a file to clear some space, but at the partition level you cannot do. So one way, you cannot reduce.
So what if the client doesn't want that much of memory?
You can tell him, you have to give a business justification.
So it will become 80
You can tell him you are running out of space, machine may go down, production will be down. Then what you will say? He knows customer are not that, they are all technical people will be there. They know. They will only give request to you, in fact. Excuse me. then you will raise a request to storage team. Then those people will create a extend learn one, and then they'll give you. Do it faster. I'm recording open filer steps also in case like you may need. And this one is for educational purpose only, not compulsory that you should do it.
Refresh it. Select.
Still it is 74.7.
Here it is showing 80.
Showing 81.
Select and refresh.
Showing 74. Refresh.
See. Select that. Click on this. Now click on the data storage.
Now it is 80.
You have to select, then you have to click on the
Now I will change this one.
How many increasing? 25.
Hmm. Check that one. Now it become 84.75.
So mine is showing some wrong data. Actually, provisioned is some 93 GB is there. Free space is some 2 GB, but it's showing different.
This is after format, man. Right click on increase size. This is different. Whatever you are saying, that is after formatting. Like in C drive, how much space is available? Not at the raw volume. Go to increase capacity. There here you will see. Understood? Done. Write down. Next one. Expand an existing VMFS data store extent. Expand an add an external and add an extend to existing. Add an extent. Add an extend to existing VMFS data store. And this is only one person can do. You have to wait till he comes. See now, add an extend to existing VMFS data store. Okay, see, as of now, nothing is visible. 188 is yours now.
186.
186 is. Excuse me.
Hello? Good morning. Sure. Yes, yes. Sure. Yes. 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 Yes.
around 10:15 or 10:30. I may need some 10-15 minutes. There was a call for me. See here. Pay attention. The first thing you have to do is rescan. Any issues in storage, first thing what you have to do,
Rescan.
that's a troubleshooting method you should learn. Every time you should simply click on rescan. So what happens when you rescan, your storage adapter is trying to communicate to the storage server once again. It will try to establish a connection. If there is any LUN which is presented from storage server, okay, and which is waiting for ESXi host to respond, that will connect at that time. Understood? See now, I'll come back to my devices. Can you see one more open filer is visible? Can you note this? Can you see this? Earlier we had only this one. Do you agree? When I clicked on devices, it was not visible earlier. After search only it was available. I will show again. See now. Increase capacity, add and extend to an existing VMFS data store, correct? And I click on next. Can I click on ESXi host data store? Can I click on next? See now. The 10 GB extra space is available. This was not available earlier. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
You agree with me?
Yes.
Now you click on next and finish, then what will happen? LUN 0 and LUN 1 will become one single logical volume. Total size would expand to 110 GB. Understood? Practically it is 110 GB, but usable is 95 plus 5, it will become 100 GB. Understood? This is called extending a data store with the help of new LUN. Is that clear? Right. So can you do that now? You have to do now. And this lab can be performed by one person in a group. You both should sync. You go next to him, you can do it. Your LUN is available. First rescan it and then do it.
This LUN creation is also done by us or storage admin?
Storage admin, I told you no. Here I am the storage admin. I do everything for you. I used OpenFiler. See this tool. Just through this only. Look into my screen. Through this tool only I did it. I have recorded this also. If you want, you watch, go home and watch. I will not teach you like how to do it, but I have shown the steps like how to do it, because this required one day.